Bose's first Gen QC Ultra headphones have returned to their best price to date. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones returned to their best price to date at $279. $150 off. Ideal for travel with comfortable build, foldable design, and best-in-class noise cancellation. In Indigo crisis, DGCA slept and CCI didn't bark. India's competition watchdog failed to act as Indigo Airline reportedly misused its dominance. While the DGCA apparently overlooked the crisis in the travel sector. Technical issue with radar halts arrivals at Birmingham Airport. A technical problem with the radar system has caused flight arrivals to halt at Birmingham Airport. Travelers are advised to check the latest updates. Allegiant to buy rival budget airline Sun Country for around $1.5 billion. Allegiant to acquire Sun Country for $1.5 billion, marking the latest consolidation move in the competitive budget airline industry. Physicists create resilient 3D solitons in the lab. Italian physicists successfully create lump solitons, stable packets of light waves that travel through 3D space and maintain their shape even when interacting with others. This breakthrough could pave the way for advancements in quantum technology. Why? Slow travel is about to be 2026's biggest vacation trend. In 2026, slow travel is predicted to be the top vacation trend, with Americans opting for farm stays, reading trips, and exploring hidden cities. Storms spark travel mayhem and power cuts in northern Europe. Gale force winds and storms cause travel disruptions, power cuts, and school closures in northern Europe, leaving hundreds of thousands in freezing temperatures. Asylum hotel migrant evictions set to begin in the spring. Hotel evictions of asylum seekers set to commence in spring, following a High Court ruling in Epping, Essex. The Home Office will publish figures on asylum seekers living in hotels. Swiss authorities detain owner of bar where New Year's fire killed 40. Swiss authorities have detained the owner of a bar where a New Year's fire claimed 40 lives. The country observes a day of mourning for the victims. Snow blankets Italian alpine resort ahead of Winter Olympics. Italy's alpine resort Livigno receives fresh snowfall, setting an exciting prelude for the upcoming 2026 Milano Cortina Winter Olympics. Pressure mounts for answers over Swiss bar fire after victims identified. Investigations intensify following a Swiss ski resort bar fire that tragically claimed 40 lives. Authorities are under pressure to provide answers. At least 15 dead, 19 injured in Guatemala as bus plunges into ravine. At least 15 people have tragically died and 19 are injured after a bus plunged into a ravine in Guatemala. The cause of the crash remains unknown. Adjusting imports of processed critical minerals and their derivative products into the United States, the White House. .gov. The White House announces adjustments to the import of critical minerals for U.S. industries, aiming to enhance national security and economic growth. Division I Cabinet adopts new transfer windows in several sports, NCAA.org. NCAA Division I Cabinet introduces new transfer windows in several sports, including basketball, wrestling, ice hockey, and track and field. Niners LB Fred Warner doesn't rule out playing Saturday vs. Seahawks. Just taking it day by day, NFL.com. San Francisco 49ers linebacker Fred Warner remains hopeful about playing against the Seahawks on Saturday, despite an ankle injury. NASA astronauts begin bittersweet medical evacuation from space station, BBC. NASA astronauts initiate medical evacuation from the space station. expected to land off California's coast. Thousands of tourists stranded in Lapland as cold grounds flights, BBC. Thousands of tourists face disruption in Lapland as freezing temperatures ground flights at Kittilä Airport, reaching as low as -38 degrees Celsius. Niners TE George Kittle suffers torn Achilles in win over Eagles, NFL.com. San Francisco 49ers George Kittle ruled out for rest of playoffs due to torn Achilles in wild card win over Eagles. Nobel Institute rejects Machado's Peace Prize offer to Trump, Axios. Nobel Institute refuses to transfer Peace Prize to Trump, citing rules against sharing or revoking awards. Ovechkin scores 20 goals for 21st season. Second most in NHL history, NHL.com. Capitals Ovechkin scores 20th goal, moving second in NHL history for most seasons with 20-plus goals. Trails Gordie Howe, who reached mark 22 times.